well, I could just write that off, can I? And looking at their situation, I asked them what that actually meant, right? So what tax bracket they're in is dependent upon what that actually means to them. So if you spend $100,000 and it's something you can write off, but your tax rate is 20%, then you're getting to write off, or you're getting savings of about $20,000, right? So you're writing off 100,000, but you actually would have paid 20,000 of that 100 to the IRS potentially. So you wrote it down and you got to keep that, but really it was $20,000. You still had to spend 80 of your own money that you would have had if you just paid the IRS to save 20. So the question is, does that make sense? Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But just writing it off is not really the end game here. And if you're in a lower tax bracket, it's even worse. So if you're in a 10% rate, for instance, you're going to get a $10,000 tax benefit, but you spent $90,000 to get that tax benefit in this example. So writing it off is not as simple as just saying, I'm going to write it off. Understand your tax situation, your tax rate, your tax bracket, to really understand what's the impact to you, because it's not always just the best way to do it. And you have to take that into consideration so that you're not spending more money to potentially save pennies.